Hello everyone. Welcome back to Artificial Professor. In today's video, we'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to change the language on YouTube in your web browser. This tutorial will help you do just that. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser and go to the YouTube website. Now, click on your profile picture or avatar at the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. From the menu, select Location and change it to your desired location. After the location is changed, you can then navigate to the language section. Here, you'll see the current language setting for YouTube. To change it, click on the drop-down menu and a list of available languages will appear. Click on it to select it. After selecting your preferred language, you can enjoy your new experience on YouTube. That's it. You've successfully changed the language on YouTube. Now, all the menus, buttons, and text will be in the language you selected. Enjoy exploring YouTube in your new linguistic experience. Changing the language on YouTube in your web browser is a simple process that can enhance your viewing and learning experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.